Hello everybody, welcome back to Multitool School. The question comes up, what is your favorite multi-tool? The multi-tool that I've used for the longest period of time is going to be the Leatherman Wave. This is the one that I've had for a long time. The reason that I like the Leatherman Wave so much is it has things in common with the Charge and also the Surge. They have the ability to put a pocket clip on them. There's a groove right there, and the pocket clip can be attached to the Surge. You can attach it to the Wave. I'm talking about the newer model Wave, not the original. And you can also do that with the Charge. I think the ability to use the pocket clip and also the lanyard ring in the same place, I think that gives these tools quite a bit of versatility. The features on the Surge and the Wave are just about the same. Probably the main difference with the Surge, it is larger. It has scissors on the outside, and if you practice at it, you can get those scissors open one-handed. Takes a little work, but it can be done. So, my answer to the question, what is your favorite multi-tool? It's going to be the Surge. I think the Leatherman Surge meets my requirements for a fave multi-tool for me. F for flexibility, A for adaptability, and V for versatility. Those three features, I believe, make the Surge the leader of the multi-tools out there available. Again, probably the main reason that I like any of these three models of Leatherman is the ability to take the pocket clip. If you've seen one of my previous videos, I took a pocket clip and bolted a fire seal onto it so that you can have a fire seal with you, and it just clips into place like this on a Surge. You can also put the lanyard ring in there. The way I have it rigged up here is with some paracord, and I use it as a harness, and I can put the Surge or the Wave right here, and when I need to get a hold of it, I push the locking lever that releases that lanyard ring, and there I go. So, what's my favorite multi-tool? Leatherman Surge. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.